Morning. Going to see if you're up to this. Let's do the 10 fat sausages. 10 fat sausages frying in a pan. One went pop and the other went bang. Now I'm going to ask you, how many are you left? You had 10. This one went pop. That one went bang. So you're left with 8. Something has changed. One went pop, one went bang. So things have changed, okay? 8 fat sausages frying in a pan. One went pop and the other went bang. Now it's changed again. Now you don't even have 8. You've got 6 fat sausages frying in a pan. One went pop and the other went bang. How many are you left with now? You are left with 4. 4 fat sausages frying in a pan. One went pop and the other went bang. How many are you left with now? 2. 2 fat sausages frying in a pan. One went pop and the other went bang. Okay. Usually when we get the word something that we are left with, okay, we're not talking about left and right. It usually means that somebody has taken something or changed something, okay? So I could say to you, here are my soccer balls, okay? Right, so I've got soccer ball suckers, and they all have red covers on them, okay? So it's a red kind of soccer ball. Now what I could do is I could take away and change. So I take away, I change 2. And now I could say to you, how many are you left with? Then you would say, Mrs. Hamilton, we are left with 3. Okay, but if I was really magic and I could change the wrappers on the suckers, I could say to you, okay, now I want you to color in 2 of the soccer balls black. How many red ones are you left with? And then you would have to count them. You are left with 3 because 2 are black. If I take this one away and I put in another black one, I could say to you, how many red ones are left? Because now I've changed the color, and you'd have to say 2. Maybe I could even change another one. Okay. And I could change that into blue. Now I would say to you, how many red ones are left? And there would only be 1. If I take this one out and I put in a gold one, how many red ones are left? There are no red ones left, but I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lollipops, but they are different colors. Okay. I could also say to you, okay, how many black ones are there? And you'd have to say to me, there are 3 black ones left. Okay. There are 3 black ones left because these are not black. Okay, now I just want to show you, because you've got some work to do in your book, and I think you might find it a little bit confusing because it asks you to color in things and it says to you, how many are left? So I'm going to move out of the way a little bit, okay, so that you can see what's behind me. There you go. Okay, now you can see nicely what we're doing. Okay, you don't have to see me, but you do have to see the picture. So let's move you even a little bit closer. That's even better. Okay, there we go. And Mrs. Hamilton's going to move around. Okay, so here you've got a picture of 4 balls. Okay, if I take my balls and I decide to color in 2 of the balls, and I color 1 in red and I color 1 in orange, I can ask you now, how many balls are left? Well, I had 4, but I colored in 2, so I've only got 2 that are left, and they're not colored. Right, let's have a look here at our happy little, they almost look like Mickey Mouse faces. Let's have a look at them. If I color in 1, and I say to you, color it in yellow, how many are you going to have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because they are not colored in. Here I've got some snails. Right, so let's see how many snails we're going to color in. I'm going to color in the snail, and I've decided to color him in brown. And I'm going to color in the snail. Let's move this one up a little bit. And I'm going to color in this snail. And I'm going to color in this snail. This one's still not right. There we go. Okay, so I've colored in how many snails? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 brown snails. How many snails do I have left? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 left. Right. Now we're going to go to the balloons. Now I decide with my balloons, I want to color in 2 of them green. And I want to color in 1 a different color. I'm going to color in this one orange. Okay. Right, so I've colored in 3 of my balloons. 2 of them are green and 1's orange. And how many do I have left? I have 4 left. Okay. Right, now this is not what you've got in your book, but you've got something the same. And I did this with you just so that you can see what we are doing is exactly the same thing. Okay, can you see my rabbits? Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm going to show you what you're going to do. So it says here, make 2 rabbits pink. And then how many rabbits will be left? Okay, so if I make 2 rabbits pink, let's do this one. And I'll do this. Okay, so I've made my 2 rabbits pink. How many now have I got left? I've only got 1 left. And here they say to me, how many rabbits are left? So over here, I have to write the number. Okay, and what number is that going to be? It's going to be the number symbol for number 1. Okay, right. With your page now, you're going to do the same thing. It says to you, color in 1 kitten black. This is a nice fluffy one, so I'm going to color in that one. Black. Oh, I don't think he's going to stick very nicely. All right. Let's get him to stick. Right. We're going to color him in black. There he is. How many kittens are left? Color in 1 black. I'm going to be left with 2. Here in my block, I'm going to write the number 2. Now you've got the dogs. Make 1 dog yellow. And how many are left? Right, I'd like to make this one yellow. He's a nice big one. It's a happy tail. Right, I've got 3 that are left. Okay, so this page is in your book. I'm sure you've seen it, just in case you just check that you know which page I'm talking about. You follow in the instructions. Make 2 rabbits pink, how many are left? Make 1 kitten black, how many are left? Make 1 dog yellow, how many are left? And you're going to write the number symbols here when you've done it. Okay. So that's what I was just trying to tell you, all right? That when we take away or we change things. Sometimes we ask, what is left? We've changed some things, and what is left? Okay, so I hope you understand that page in your book now, because I've tried to explain it as nicely as I can. And I'm sure you understand now which ones are left, which ones you've changed the color to, which ones you've changed, and maybe which ones you've even taken away. So take care, stay warm. I've got my coat on, and I'll see you again tomorrow.